Did you know there are some incredibly powerful AI tools that most people are still unaware of? Yes, you heard that right. While everyone's talking about the big names in AI, there are hidden gems that could revolutionize your workflow and take your productivity to the next level. Today, we're diving into some underrated AI tools that you need to know about if you want to stay ahead in the tech game. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest and most powerful AI tools out there. Alright, let's get into it. The first underrated AI tool on our list is Runway ML. While many creators are focused on mainstream video editing software, Runway ML is quietly making waves by offering AI-powered video editing, image generation, and even real-time collaboration features. Imagine being able to create a video, design stunning visuals, and collaborate with team members, all with the help of AI. It's a game changer for content creators and businesses alike. The AI models here can save you hours of work, letting you focus on creativity while it handles the technical stuff. But that's not all. Runway ML also integrates with various creative apps, making it super versatile for video editing, animation, and even virtual production. The best part? It's beginner-friendly, meaning you don't need a background in tech to start using it. Plus, the tool is constantly evolving, bringing more powerful features as AI technology improves. Next up is Otter.ai. If you're not using Otter for transcriptions, you're seriously missing out. This tool is a transcription powerhouse that uses AI to turn audio and video content into accurate text in real time. Whether you're recording meetings, interviews, podcasts, or YouTube videos, Otter.ai will save you tons of time by automating the transcription process. Plus, it allows you to collaborate on the transcriptions, making it perfect for teams working on content together. What's amazing about Otter is that it not only transcribes, but also provides a summary of key points, which is incredibly useful when you need to skim through long recordings. It also offers the ability to organize your transcripts, making it easier to find what you need without wasting time. Let's move on to Frase. This AI-driven content research and writing tool is perfect for bloggers, marketers, and anyone who needs to create content that ranks well on search engines. What makes Frase stand out is its ability to analyze top-ranking content and provide you with a strategy to outrank your competition. You can input your target keyword, and Frase will show you how the top pages are performing, what topics they're covering, and even generate a content outline based on this data. It's like having your own SEO expert who helps you craft better content in no time. What's more, Frase can help you optimize your content as you write it. It suggests keywords, phrases, and questions you can add to make your content more comprehensive and rank better on Google. If you're serious about content marketing, Frase is a tool you won't want to miss. Moving on, we have DeepL. You might be thinking, another translation tool? But trust me, DeepL is in a league of its own. While Google Translate and other translation tools have been around for years, DeepL uses advanced AI to provide translations that are far more natural and nuanced. This is especially important if you're working with content that needs to sound authentic, whether it's for business communications, articles, or even YouTube subtitles. What makes DeepL so powerful is its ability to understand context and deliver translations that sound just like a native speaker wrote them. This is a huge advantage if you're reaching out to international audiences and want to make sure your message doesn't get lost in translation. Now let's talk about Copy.ai. Writing copy for ads, blogs, and social media can be tedious, right? Well, Copy.ai is here to make the process a breeze. It uses GPT-3 technology to generate high-quality, engaging copy in seconds. Whether you need catchy headlines, persuasive sales copy, or even blog posts, Copy.ai can handle it all. What's amazing about this tool is that it can help you beat writer's block and generate ideas you may never have thought of yourself. You can simply input a few details about your product or idea, and Copy.ai will create multiple variations of copy for you to choose from. It's an invaluable tool for marketers, content creators, and business owners who need to crank out quality content fast. Next on our list is Lumen 5. This is an AI video creation platform that automatically turns your text content into engaging video content. Whether you have a blog post, article, or even a simple script, Lumen 5 can transform it into a video in just minutes. The tool analyzes the text you provide and chooses relevant visuals, music, and transitions to make the video look polished and professional. It's the perfect tool for social media managers or content creators who want to repurpose written content into video format without spending hours on editing. Lumen 5 is also highly customizable. You can tweak the visuals, add your branding, and even select the pacing of the video to suit your style. This tool is especially useful if you want to post videos regularly, but don't have the time or resources to shoot and edit footage from scratch. The next underrated tool is Jarvis, formerly Jasper. If you're looking for a tool to automate your content creation, look no further. Jarvis is an AI writing assistant that can help you generate blog posts, marketing copy, and even social media content. Using cutting-edge NLP technology, Jarvis understands your writing style and adapts to your needs, making the content creation process faster and more efficient. What sets Jarvis apart from other writing tools is its ability to understand context and tone, making your content feel more human and less robotic. Whether you need a formal tone for a business blog or a conversational style for social media, Jarvis can adjust accordingly. Next, let's look at Surfer SEO. If SEO is a priority for you, this tool will be your best friend. Surfer SEO uses AI to analyze the top-ranking pages for any keyword, providing you with detailed insights into how to optimize your own content for search engines. From keyword suggestions to on-page SEO recommendations, Surfer SEO has everything you need to ensure your content ranks at the top. What's amazing about Surfer is that it also gives you content auditing tools, so you can make sure your existing content is fully optimized. Whether you're writing blog posts, landing pages, or product descriptions, Surfer helps you get the most out of your SEO efforts. Finally, Tome is another underrated AI tool that can help you create presentations effortlessly. Tome uses AI to generate beautiful, engaging slide decks that you can present with just a few clicks. Whether you're pitching to investors, presenting to your team, or showcasing a new product, Tome can help you create stunning presentations in no time. It pulls in data from sources like Google, Wikipedia, and other trusted websites to create relevant, accurate content for your slides. And there you have it, some of the most underrated AI tools that can significantly boost your productivity and creativity. If you're ready to take your work to the next level, make sure to check out these tools and give them a try. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Gear Lab for more tech tutorials, AI tools insights, and everything you need in the world of technology.